my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. I like to call it a heist because they paid me. Yeah, this is $85.09 worth of goods. It's all said and done. They paid me an overage of $1.33. This is for the week of April 22nd to April 28th. And I'm going to be doing this every week, how to get paid to shop. So, please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right away on the first day and do the deals the rest of the week. So today's Thursday, and barely had an overage. Some of these deals I did last week, and some of them are new. So let's show you what I got here. Let's jump right into it. So the whole thing, I always want to get up to 50 because I get $5.05 off my total when I use this $10 off your total purchase. That was in the extra savings. So you only got 2 days left on that, so get right on it if you can. Maybe there'll be a new one coming out, but anyways, I think I had a total of, after sale price, but before coupons, if it's over 50, it was like $50.80 or something. So I was over 50, knocked 10 off right away, or there's a $4.95 fee, so I marked $5.05 off of it, more or less, because you're paying basically $54.95 for this, and you get $10 off, and you get a $50 guard, so you're getting $60 on a $54.95, $5.05 to the good. Anyways, get into the rest of it. I found another one of these on clearance, $1.19, on ibotta. You probably get $2 on ibotta, so you'll do better than me on that. Here's another new deal. This is a good one. This was on sale for $5.19. Regularly $7.19, and there was a $3 off. There's a $3 off manufacturer printable. I'll have that link to print that in the details below. All the links, all the detailed breakdown of where I got these coupons from, what insert, link to print them, whatever is all below the video. Very detailed as always. So let me tell you more about it. So it was $5.19, $3 off manufacturer printable, and then an ibotta rebate for $2 off, limited 2. So these came to 19 cents each. Next, had these on clearance still. There's still a couple left there, $4.49, and I had a $2 off peelie, and then I had a $1 off for the other two, and there's $3 on ibotta. Made these basically 3 cents moneymaker for all of them. Okay, next thing, Dr. Elsey Ultra cat litter. So this is one that I actually had to pay for, and I'm waiting to get a rebate back. So we'll see how that goes. But if it does, then I'm going to be paid $1.33, as I said, and I trust it'll happen. So I linked the rebate of that. It says it's up to $20. This was on sale, regular $9.99, on sale for $7.99. We'll see if they give me $20 back. I doubt it. They'll probably give me $7.99. Maybe they'll give me, $8.50, whatever the tax came to. Maybe they'll give me that, the tax too. I doubt it. I bet I'll get a $7.99 back on that. Another new deal was this Mooala almond milk. They're $4.99 BOGO, so $1 off manufacturer printable. Links below to print that, and $1 off ibotta. I made 99 cents for both of these. As I said, everything is trying to get up to this so I can get $5. So when I say it's 99 cents, it actually isn't, because I got $5.05 off my total, so that'll wipe that away. Had one of these. Again, this is kind of a dead deal, but I still have another. I got buns this time. They're $4.99, and this is all sometimes it's lucky, sometimes it takes off 7, sometimes it all depends on the cashier. I'm not going to get too much into it. If you really study this advanced couponing, you pick the right cashier, or the order you give the coupons to the cashier in. Are they scanning them without reading them, whatever, or are they just happy to put them in, or are they reading every single word on the coupon? Advanced couponing there. So if you want to pick your line, maybe it's advanced couponing there, whatever. Anyways, last one here. These were 2 for $1.39. You can find these in the clearance section, so with the $1 off. And these were $1.79, $1.50 coupon from the 328 Smart Source. Once again, please subscribe to the funny looking guy. Once again, paid to shop.